Hello traders out there in Traderland, my name's Dez here at Grok Trade on Wednesday, May 8th, 2013. The S&P 500 notches its fifth consecutive record close today. Actually, you have to go back to 1998 to get such a bullish 5-day sprint northbound. The S&P up 0.41%, Dow up 0.32%, and we have the NASDAQ up 0.5%, with the Russells up 0.27%. Banks up just a fraction, not really confirming today's move, but the VIX has dropped a bit, confirming today's move. So you see the VIX down 1.33%, down below 13. And precious metals get a little bit of a bounce, especially on gold. Gold up 1.5%, but silver basically flat. Crude oil up 1.15%, with the U.S. dollar down almost 0.5%. Transportation index up 0.22%, and you have utilities, which is the defensive sector, in bearish territory by 1.2% in the red. And take a look here at the S&P daily. See this big monstrous 5-day rally to the north, and we had this trend line all day today. We stayed below this trend line until the last hour of the day, and then we blasted to it, closing near the day's high. Really bullish, gang. Take a look at the banks here. We popped up above a resistance line. That looks pretty good. We do have a trend line coming up higher that we'll need to watch for. And on gold, this is just a pop, gap fill, a choppy high base. This is bullish, gang. And silver, here we haven't filled the gap yet, but this has turned into a bear flag, which is bearish, with a resistance at the falling 20-day moving average. Something just to be watching. Google up almost 2% today. Boom, to the upside. Google on fire. And you have Apple here doing well, building a base and closing just above the 100-day moving average, with Facebook with a buying opportunity right now. Disclosure, I'm in Facebook. So I do have a holding here, but it ran up. We have a pullback to about 50% Fibonacci to the 20 and 50-day moving averages on dissipating volume, and we have what's called a bullish thrusting pattern. So look for upward opportunity there if the markets can stay strong, but we're overextended, to be quite frank, here in the market. So with this, just know that things could drop at any time, and it could be a sizable drop. We just can't climb forever. But right now, I'm bullish going into this rally, and I've been saying it for a long time. Once we made this little bounce back here, I started getting bullish in the markets. So we'll see how long this beast will last. Anyway, we have mentorship coming up. Online one in May and one in Vegas, and there could be some big news on the Vegas one. We'll find out later today. And I want to make sure you all know about, we only do this once a month, but tomorrow night we're doing a free online class. If you'd like a little free education, you want to get signed up. Go to the website. Once you're there, either click on events or just go down here and sign up for this. And yeah, we'll teach you about technical analysis. I think you will enjoy it. And if you're from Mexico, you can learn about our mentoring there in Mexico, Las Vegas in June. A lot of good stuff coming up. We also have an advanced mentorship. That's just for graduates here. So, and one last thing, be sure to check out Rachel Fox, foxonstocks.com, and read all the things that she has there. We are partners, and anyway, more on that later. Hope all is well with you and yours. Take care, and very safe trading out there in the markets.
This may or may not be you, but traders who come to Grok Trade for help are sharp, well-educated, and have made money in the past. However, trading was a real struggle for them. They bought high and sold low. They let small losses turn into large losses. They kept losing money. This does not have to be you. They made a change before it was too late. Grok Trade students trade within the live markets with confidence. Get signed up for mentoring today before it's too late for your trading.
I'm Tim Cole.
I'm Mike Reed.
My name is Randeep Kapoor.
Shane Parker.
Hi, I'm Steve Gould.
Mary Olson.
My name is Spiro Karajanis.
Mike Muller.
My name is Caroline Elizon, and I've been day trading full-time for about 2.5 years.
What did you think of the mentorship?
I am just thrilled with it. I think it's a great program.
It kept me going, kept my brain moving.
In 20 years, I learned this much about trading. I think that this weekend gave me this much to add on it.
This is actually my second time through mentorship, so this is a refresher for me. And I'm picking up nuggets that I missed the first time around, and I feel more confident to use all this information.
It's given me a skill level that's a much, much higher level.
You learn stuff that you will not learn in any other course. I've taken a bunch of different courses. I've never seen this stuff taught before. No one else teaches it. I mean, you've given us such golden nuggets today, or this week. You know, it's well worth taking this class.
It has helped unbelievably. I mean, I can't even explain it. I'm literally at a loss for words right now.
So if there was someone out there who was thinking about joining the mentoring class, kind of on the fence, what would you tell them?
I would definitely say this is something that you need if you're struggling with consistency in your trading results.
You need to have good education, good understanding, otherwise you will get killed in the market.
You can understand why they're doing what they're doing, how to trade successfully, how to make the proper setups, what you're looking for, and how to go from being a newbie to a professional trader in a short period of time.
You're not going to be able, on your own, floundering or just reading books, to be able to sit down and pick the brain of very successful traders and be able to incorporate that into your own trading.
You learn something that you didn't know before, and learning is always good, no matter how old you are.
Mentoring is all about helping you really get your hands on and practice it.
I would tell anybody who's on the fence, it took me 20 years to learn this much. This much. And you know what? Maybe it's really this much, but I'm trying to, tell you that I know a little bit more. And I got this much, out of this weekend. So I think you got to be crazy to want to go through years of heartache to learn stuff that experts can teach you right away.
I've just realized being here how important it is to get some formal education in trading. You get so many things from so many different directions, and to have it all brought together and put in front of you, your toolkit so you can use it, is really invaluable.